guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add password to a PDF. Very easy and simple. So first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser, and mind you, this can work in your mobile phone and also your system or PC. So open up your Chrome browser and you're going to search for protect PDF. Protect PDF. So once you search for that, you're going to see all this right here. You can pick any one of your choice and click on this to see. You're going to see where it says select PDF file. You have to select the PDF file, and you're going to click on the PDF you want to add. Okay, so I'm just going to add this, and the next thing you're going to see is where you're going to type in your password and also repeat the password. So you can just create your simple password, so it will be easy for the person that wants to actually get the PDF to impute. So you do the same and click on. Once you're done with this, you're going to see where it says protect PDF below. So once you click on it, it's going to process, and oh my god, they said I couldn't process my file because it's damaged, but just make sure you use a good one. So once you're done, it's going to get saved, and you're going to send the PDF to whoever you want to send it to and give the person the password to access that. So this is literally how to protect how to add a password to a PDF. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.